Alright, I'm recording. Just give you guys a quick tour of Upflint Airfield. As soon as Steve...
I'm rolling.
Alright. I'm watching you. Okay, I'm watching you. And he's airborne. So once again, we're testing out the in-flight audio cable with the engine running.
Altimeter's working good.
And we're just going to do some run-ups here. Full power. Get our wheel off of the ground here for a second. I'm just recording you, don't mind me.
Got it.
You look good. Testing it with the strobes on. Strobes are off.
Coming back down the runway.
Okay. Now we're going to just do a simple run-up here. We're at idle right now. 3,000 RPMs. 4,000 RPMs. 5,000 RPM, so we're at cruise RPM right here. Full power, 6,200 RPMs. How's your new altimeter working?
Altimeter's working good. The airspeed or the ground speed on the GPS is slower than the other one. What I mean by slower, it's slower to give you your speed. The other one pretty much gives it right on the money.
Ah, gotcha. I'm going to make a high-speed taxi down to the end of the runway, so...
Okay, I'm landing at Benny's now. I'm going directly over the hangar right now on final.
40 miles per hour. Get the wheel off of the ground here. Give you guys another tour of Greenway Airfield, formerly known as Unflet. The runway is 60 feet wide, and you got plenty of room even with the trees. I know a lot of people are scared about the trees. End of the runway, we're going to be pointing north here. North, right on the money. 5,000 RPMs. I'm back taxiing now. That's awesome. Alright, this is one last test. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. I'm hoping this audio comes out really good.
It sounds good on the headset on this end.
Okay, cool. And here we are back at home.